Let's send it over to a pro trader for our final trade.
Hello, Alan Knuckman from Bullseye Options with today's trade of the day. I'm looking at Vale, but before we get to that, let's talk about the market momentum in general. Earnings season is essentially over with 90-some% of the S&P stocks already reporting, and we had a 5% earnings growth when the numbers were only supposed to be 3%. Or 3% for the traders. So it's impressive in the fact that we overcame expectations. And you saw that Friday, the market was within striking distance of all-time forever highs in the S&P.
Ellen, what else are you watching in this market?
All right, next earnings season doesn't start till after the 4th of July. So it'll be interesting to see how the markets get themselves worried or climb that wall of worry over the next 6 weeks. But so far, the Fed has played this absolutely perfectly.
Good to know. What's your stock play?
All right, today's trade, Vale. It's a boring mining stock. It's been between 12 and 16 for a year. And right now we're sitting down near the low. We made new lows, but not new highs in implied volatility just a couple weeks ago. That's a sign of a sentiment shift in a stock that's down. It's 20% off the December highs and 45% off the 2021 top.
Take us through the charts for clues about what might be ahead for this stock.
Also, from a fundamental standpoint, it's very cheap. It's got a PE of 6. So from a value standpoint, it's there. And if you look at these charts here, a move above that 14 midpoint of this range should send it back up to the 16 range top. We've been between 10 and 20 since 2020 with a super bottom in place.
What's your options trading strategy here?
Again, that 10 is a base. So I'm looking at a January option. Yes, January, 8 months of time. It's trading for about 3 with the stock being at a 12.65 or so. It's $2.65 in the money with 8 months of time. So the expiration break even on this is 50 cents up above. Best of all, it's all about the math, and it's the way to trade. A modest move in the stock up to the 16 level, which is the range top for the last year, that option gains 100%.
Thank you, Ellen, for your trade of the day.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.